Hello and welcome back. When we finished off in the last video, we just finished this problem and we found out that when I found the rate of change between two non-consecutive points like these two, it was equal to the rate of change between consecutive points like these two right here. So that we left off with number 6, and I forgot to answer this last question, which we do need to do. It says, is the rate of change from exercise 6 the same if you use two consecutive rows? Well, yes, we showed in our work in the prior video that that is true. Okay, explain why. Well, it's because, okay, the change in distance, which was y, right? That was distance. The change in the distance, the subtracted change, divided by the change in time, which was x, was equal in both. Okay, whether they were consecutive or not. All right, so that is true there. All right, let's look at, I'll probably do a short video here just to do the bottom half of this page and then pick it up again on how to do the next part. Is the kind of, I'd be more comfortable doing it that way. So you might have a few more videos, but the next couple hopefully will be shorter for you. This says finding the slope using a graph. So this when you're given a graph and you're asked to find the slope. Now again, slope is another way of saying the rate of change. Those two phrases have to become interchangeable in your mind. Number 8 says label each point with the coordinates on the graph. Okay, so here's what I have. This point right here, it looks like it's -1, -2, -3, 1. And this point looks like it's 2 over 2, 1, 2, 3, up 3. All right, so we did that. Number 9 says draw a vertical arrow to represent the rise. Okay, so pay attention here. What you want to do is basically this is what we're going to do if you're given a graph and you're asked to find the slope from the graph or the rate of change. So you have to begin and end on 2 points that you know. That's critical. All right, so these are the 2 points I know, -3, 1, and 2, 3. So what I'm going to do is I want to know how much do I go up or down to get from one point even with the other point. Okay, that is the rise. Now since I'm going upward, that's a positive rise. If I would have gone down, it would have been a negative rise. I went up 2 spaces, so the rise is 2. Okay, the rise is 2. Now I make a right-hand turn. It's kind of like you're driving a car. Okay, you make a right-hand turn now, and you have to go to the line. Okay, so I make a right-hand turn. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's +4, and that is called the run. Okay, so the rise I just found out was +2. All right, and then it says the horizontal arrow, which I just did 1, 2, 3, 4. I wrote that wrong, and you were hoping I'd give you candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 5. That looks better. The rise is 5. Okay, it says underline the correct word to complete this sentence. Because the points are on the same line, the rate of change from point to point is it constant or different? If I picked a different point, let's say I picked that point right there and I figured it out, or that point right there, and I took it, it's asking you, would that be the same or different? The answer is it would be the same because it is a straight line. All right, if it's a straight line, that rate of change is the same between any 2 points on that given line. So it's asking you to write the slope of this line, and simply put the slope, it's the vertical change, that's change in y, divided by the horizontal change, which is change in x. We call it rise over run. You go up and down. So the rise value is 2, the run value is 5. So the answer to this question, the slope of that line, is 2/5. Do not change those to decimals. We don't want slope changed to decimals other than certain application problems, because this is telling me that y changes 2 as x changes 5. And I like to see it that way. I like to go, okay, 2 y's for every 5. 5x. Or you could say it that way. You could say 2y's per 5x. X's there. Okay, so that's given a graph. That is how we would find the slope of the line. Okay, so that I'm going to stop this one. So that's a short video for you. I'm going to make a couple more short ones because I need to show you what you would do. Let's say that if you were given 2 points and you were not able to graph them, how you could find the slope from that, and we'll do that in the next couple videos for you.